Hi, welcome to the first ever edition of Dipstick and Drainplug.
I'm Bob, otherwise known as Dipstick.
And I'm Luke, otherwise known as Drainplug.
And that's because he doesn't ever get off the toilet. He needs a drain plug, basically.
I do need one right now.
Yeah.
So the idea behind the channel, basically...
We're going to be doing road trips.
Yeah, we do a lot of road trips. We have average cars, if you haven't already noticed. Yeah. Budget-friendly road trips. We do them every year for past almost 10 years now. Yeah.
Basically.
But basically we wanted to share our experience because we really enjoy it and have a laugh doing it. I mean,
yeah,
there's not much more to it than that, really, is there?
That's it. It's
so as well as road trips, there's going to be just random drives, which is pretty much on a weekly basis.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously work full time, so it's just kind of in our spare time.
So the evenings.
Yeah.
Little things like that.
Basically, like now.
Yeah.
What else is there? Oh, and then basically there's just we have so much footage from previous road trips, but nothing done properly, unlike this, which is high quality.
Of course.
But basically it'll be random snippets which we'll upload. It's terrible potato quality and just...
Yeah, I was going to say. The highest quality is 720, so it's really...
Yeah, and not stabilised, because it was all like, oh, I'm gonna video you!
I say you know cars, but don't know cars. You know that's a wheel.
Yes! Smart.
Wheels.
No,
But you don't
know a tiny bit above average, I would say, and you definitely know more than that.
Definitely. I've been to college to do such, but you've never changed your oil before.
No, I've not. I mean, I can top it up. I can do that well. I know which one is oil. But no, yeah. Well, this is what we said. That is in like little tutorial videos as well.
I'm gonna stand here and you go. Oh, and just go. Yeah, you should see this.
Yeah,
and this, and you do that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Basically, he teaches me, and then we'll pretend it's to teach you, but it's because I have no idea. Beep. Forget about that as well. Yeah. So we've got that. Farted on the way over.
Beautiful. So are you doing that bit, and then it's like, I know.
Yes, perfectly not edited at all.
No, I am exactly the same.
Comfortable.
Here,
I was going to straddle it, to be fair, but I don't think I'm that flexible.
I don't think your car's that strong.
And it's not. Yep, totally cool. Yep. Cool. Take 6. Oh, I actually have one of them as well. It looks like a dog over there, and you see what I mean? Like the hedge.
Oh,
kind of looks like a sausage dog.
You're gonna have to take a picture of that now.
Yeah, kind of. Okay. Right.